Ganito ka-busy ang train. Grabe. Saan ba ako pupwesto? Nagkakaagawan na ng rush hour. Pero kung hindi nag-extend ng 9 o'clock, wala na tong ganitong oras. Super. Sa iba kaya ako pumwesto. The smallest part. Ang dami. Crowded. Pero kailangan kong sumakay na. I need to go. It's usual. I don't know what's going on. It's kind of crazy. I can't handle this thing. Let's see. Lilibot kayo. Buong way. I guess. Saan ba ako pupwesto? Grabe ang line. I don't really like this. Too much. Makikipagsiksikan ka no matter what. Is that crazy? Whatever. Dulo-dulo na lang talaga. I choose to be in a first line and last line. I think it's better. This last lane is not a lot of people, pero nakatayo. Good luck. Good luck sa train. Riding a train. Good luck. I'll do my best. Better dito. It's better on this way. Pwesto na. Hey.